Let's DIY a little carrot bucket for Easter using supplies from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to start with one of their galvanized metal tin buckets. And the first thing we're going to do is just cover the entire handle in twine. I'm just going to wrap it on there. It's going to make it look really cute. And I want a way to make it stand up so it looks a little bit more like a basket, less with a bucket that wants to like go over. So it does take a few minutes definitely to wrap this entire thing. And what I want to do is I don't want to put the carrots inside the bucket. I want to put the carrots on the outside of the basket and have greenery in the bucket itself. I think that'll be really cute. And I want to make it look like greenery growing out of the top of a carrot. So there is our little bucket all wrapped, well worth it. And then it's just a matter of attaching the little string carrots from the Dollar Tree to the side. I think they have several different sizes of these. These are fairly big. Just make sure you get ones that are all the same size. And I'm just going to start gluing them all around. I went to the sides of the handle like that to get started. That will also help that stay open like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing here on the other side. That way I know everything is going to be evenly spaced when I am done filling this entire thing up with carrots. These carrots are so cute, you might as well use them for a decor. And I found that 4 fit in between each one here. I don't want too much of a space in between them. I want most of it to be covered with carrots, but of course you kind of have to do with whatever fits. And I'm going to do another 4 here on this side. Now the greenery on these is not much. It looks like a little bit of green paper, but we're going to fill this up with greenery, and you could fill it up with really anything you wanted. You could even make this into a little Easter basket if you wanted to. I'm going to take one of those round foam discs from the Dollar Tree. They fit perfectly in their little tin buckets. And if you can't find the tin one like I did, really doesn't matter what's on it because the carrots are pretty much going to cover everything up. You might have to paint it. It's up to you. And this is the greenery I'm going to use. I think this really looks like the top of carrot plants when they are underground. So I thought this would be really fun to add to it. So I'm just going to cut these off and start adding these to the foam and fill up this entire little carrot planter. I'm just using my wire scissors from the Dollar Tree, cutting as many as I can. I found that it would look a little bit better if I cut them into individual pieces. And the green foam that I used in there matches the greenery, so it all kind of blends in. Just going to arrange it a little bit and this DIY is complete. Isn't this a cute little basket to sit around for Easter with the string carrots? I think it's really fun. I guess you could do that really on any kind of a little pot as well. For more Dollar Tree Easter DIYs, be sure to visit me at Crafty Beach on YouTube. And until next time, happy crafting!